Have you ever wondered about the dynamics of the real estate market in Germany? Germany, known for its robust economy and rich cultural heritage, also boasts a vibrant real estate market that plays a significant role on the global stage. This marketplace is characterized by its unique structure and diversity, making it a fascinating area of interest for investors and enthusiasts alike. The German real estate market is a dynamic ecosystem, offering a wide range of opportunities for both domestic and international investors. It is a powerhouse within the European Union, with its real estate transactions contributing significantly to the bloc's overall economic activity. The market's stability, even in times of global economic uncertainty, has earned it a reputation as a safe haven for investment. The structure of the German real estate market is multifaceted. It's like a complex puzzle that, when assembled, forms a comprehensive picture of the country's economic and societal trends. This market encompasses various types of properties, each with its unique characteristics and investment potentials. Residential properties form a substantial part of the market. Whether it's a cozy apartment in bustling Berlin or a quaint house in the picturesque countryside, the demand for residential spaces is consistently high. Commercial properties, on the other hand, are a reflection of Germany's thriving business landscape. They include office spaces, retail units, and hospitality establishments, amongst others. Industrial properties, a testament to Germany's strong manufacturing and logistics sectors, also make up a significant portion of the real estate market. These range from manufacturing plants to warehouses and distribution centers. Lastly, we have special use properties. These are properties designed for specific purposes, such as educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and public utilities. All these property types contribute to the complex and dynamic tapestry that is the German real estate market. They each play a role in driving the country's economic growth and reflect the diverse needs and preferences of its population. Understanding the German real estate market is the first step towards making informed investment decisions. And as we delve deeper into this topic, we'll uncover the factors that influence this market, the process of buying property in Germany, and how one can invest in this thriving marketplace. So stay tuned as we navigate the intriguing world of German real estate. The real estate market, like any other market, is influenced by a variety of factors. One of the key drivers of the German real estate market is the nation's robust economy. As Europe's largest economy, Germany's gross domestic product, or GDP, is a crucial determinant of property prices. When the economy is thriving, people have more disposable income to invest in properties, pushing prices up. On the flip side, during an economic downturn, property prices may stagnate or even decline. The employment rate is another significant economic factor. High employment rates often correlate with increased demand for housing, as more people can afford to buy or rent homes. Conversely, areas with high unemployment rates may see a dip in property prices due to decreased demand. Interest rates also play a critical role. Low interest rates make borrowing cheaper, encouraging more people to take out mortgages and buy properties. This increased demand can drive up property prices. However, when interest rates rise, mortgages become more expensive, potentially damping demand and cooling the property market. Demographic factors also impact the German real estate market. Population growth, for instance, can lead to increased demand for housing. Urbanization, too, plays a significant role. As more people move to cities seeking better job opportunities and amenities, demand for urban housing increases, pushing up property prices and rental yields. Political factors, such as government policies and regulations, can also sway the market. For example, policies promoting home ownership or affordable housing can impact property prices. Regulatory changes like zoning laws can also affect the supply of new properties, which in turn influences prices. In summary, a multitude of factors, ranging from economic indicators like GDP, employment, and interest rates, to demographic trends like population growth and urbanization, and even political policies and regulations, all influence the German real estate market. By keeping an eye on these factors, potential investors can identify trends and opportunities in the German real estate market. Now that we understand the factors influencing the market, let's delve into the process of buying property in Germany. Finding a suitable property is the first step. This could be through online portals, local newspapers, or a real estate agent. The role of the agent is crucial as they understand the market, the locality, and can guide you through the process. A word of caution here. Agents are not regulated in Germany, so ensure that you select a reputable agent who is a member of a professional organization. Once you've identified a property, the next step is negotiating the price. Be prepared to haggle, as the asking price is often higher than the real value. Once the price is agreed upon, a reservation agreement is signed. This agreement is not legally binding but shows the seller your serious intent to purchase. Next comes securing a mortgage. Germany has a robust banking sector with a wide range of mortgage options. It's advisable to shop around for the best rates and terms. Banks in Germany typically require a down payment of at least 20% of the property's value. Once the mortgage is approved, the legal process of transferring property begins. This process is overseen by a notary who is a neutral party. The notary drafts the sales contract, arranges the payment schedule, and registers the sale with the land registry. The notary also ensures that there are no outstanding debts or liens on the property. After signing the sales contract, the buyer pays the agreed amount into a notary's account. The notary then transfers the funds to the seller, and the property ownership is transferred to the buyer. The final step is registration of the new owner with the land registry, a process that can take up to several months. It's important to note that throughout this process, there are several costs involved, including agent fees, notary fees, and property transfer tax. All these costs are typically borne by the buyer. Buying property in Germany may seem complex, but with proper understanding and guidance, it can be a smooth process. Investing in real estate is not just about buying properties. There are other ways to invest in the German real estate market. Let's delve into the different avenues available to you. First off, we have direct investment, the traditional route of buying properties. This option allows you to have full control over your investment, from choosing the exact property to deciding on rent prices. But with great power comes great responsibility. Owning a property means dealing with maintenance costs, property taxes, and the potential struggle of finding reliable tenants. Next, we have indirect investment. This involves buying shares in real estate companies or real estate investment trusts, better known as REITs. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in a REIT, you're essentially buying a piece of a larger real estate portfolio. This method offers the advantage of diversification, as your investment is spread across multiple properties. However, like all stock market investments, it comes with a degree of volatility. Lastly, we have alternative investments. These include crowdfunding and real estate peer-to-peer lending platforms. Crowdfunding allows multiple investors to pool their resources to invest in a property, while P2P lending involves lending money to individuals or businesses who then invest in property. These methods can offer high returns and allow you to invest with a lower initial capital. However, they carry a higher risk, as your investment depends on the success of the overall project or the borrower's ability to repay the loan. Each of these methods has its own set of pros and cons, and the best choice will depend on your individual financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Remember, real estate is a long-term game. It's not about getting rich quick, but building wealth over time. Regardless of the method, investing in the German real estate market requires careful planning and consideration. In conclusion, the German real estate market offers a myriad of opportunities for both local and international investors. Throughout the course of this video, we've explored the intricacies of this vibrant market, shedding light on the numerous factors that influence it, from economic indicators to demographic trends. We've delved into the process of acquiring property in Germany, a journey that begins with understanding the legal and financial implications and ends with owning a piece of this thriving real estate landscape. Moreover, we've examined the myriad ways to invest, whether you're looking to buy a residential property, commercial real estate, or even delve into real estate funds. Each method has its unique benefits and challenges, and the choice ultimately depends on your individual goals and risk tolerance. The German real estate market is not a venture to be taken lightly, but with a solid understanding of its dynamics and a thoughtful strategy, it can be a rewarding endeavor. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can navigate the German real estate market and potentially reap significant returns.